The the health department warns people about an increase in whooping cough cases in the state this year. The ADPH reports 151 cases of the disease so far, up from 113 last year. 10 of those cases are in Calhoun County. Whooping cough, or pertussis, is highly contagious to those who have not been vaccinated against it. Symptoms start out similar to a common cold before progressing to coughing fits that have a distinctive whooping sound. Infectious disease specialist at RMC Anniston, Dr. Raul Magadia, says the disease is particularly dangerous to small children.
It is dangerous for children because the coughing spell, it's not really just coughing that they have. Sometimes children, they don't tell us that they're thirsty, so they're coughing, they might be having a little bit of fevers, so they can eventually develop dehydration. So a lot of people develop complications, so they get really sick because of the complications of the sickness itself. They get dehydrated, sometimes they get into spasms of coughing and they can't breathe.
Dr. Bagadia goes on to say that the disease was almost non-existent 5 to 7 years ago, but as more parents choose not to vaccinate their children, diseases like whooping cough are becoming more common once again.